Hey everyone, Tom Zort, the Rogue Attraction here. I am here at Caribbean Beach in the Central Market, or Central Market. I think that's what it's called.
That curiosity, citizen.
I'm not 100% sure, but here we have the Swashbuckler burger. I took a bite already. It's got plantains, it's got jalapeno, it's got some sweet jam, it's got a coconut curry aioli. This is delicious. It actually is adult flavor. It's fine. It's hard to find a burger that has adult flavor. Let's take another bite of this. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. So juicy. It's actually a medium rare burger. Maybe a little bit towards medium, but this is probably my second favorite burger on property right now. The flavors that will make it is adult. It's got some spice to it. It's got some savoriness to it. This is definitely, yeah, I like it. One more bite, one more bite. Another little bite. Then we got some spinach. Good burger. It's got 8.5 out of 10 Zorks. I think I get it.